Concurrent is an amazing business. We design and manufacture high-performance computer boards and the systems that they go into for our customers all around the world. This business is set to be completely transformative. Concurrent was established almost 40 years ago to do one thing extremely well. The company takes an Intel processor and designs the printed circuit board that processor goes into to create a fully functioning computer. Our customers typically have the problem of needing the very best computing capability in very harsh environments where they just have to work. If you're in defence or comms or medical, then the computer operating inside of your system is absolutely crucial, and that's what we do very well. Roll forward 35, 36 years, we've added a number of additional services, including now, through the acquisition we made in Los Angeles, the ability to deliver the systems that these computer boards go into.
Historically, over the last 35 years, this business has been quite steady and has grown to a business of around 15 to 20 million. Over the last couple of years, the business has almost doubled its revenues. Last year we were at just under 32 million in 2023. In half of 2024, we're running at just under 17 million, with a significant plan to continue that growth over the next few years and beyond. Profitability-wise, the business was very solid, at a good 15 to 20% profit margin. We are currently running at about 14%, with a view that that will return to a very strong number in the high teens as we begin to achieve the growth we need to with the investment we've put into the business.
The market in which Concurrent operates is substantial, tens of billions of pounds per annum. We historically have taken a small proportion of that very large opportunity where the market is dominated by very big companies. A change in the market is customers' desire for what we call open architecture systems. So in the past, large proprietary companies have locked customers in with their particular application of technology. The US in particular have found that frustrating and are now leading an initiative around open standards architectures, for which we are a leading proponent. And indeed, the incredible growth in design wins that we've been enjoying is dominated by exactly that opportunity set. Many of the wonderful design wins that we've been winning recently have been because we've literally been able to put technology in customers' hands that they cannot get from anybody else. So maintaining that pace to market is a crucial competitive advantage.
As we get into more design wins in this company, we are starting to look at the long-term value of those design wins. That enables us to plan more effectively, resource our business effectively, and be ready for those future opportunities to convert into contracts. It's really important, the lifetime value of the contracts, because it really underpins our future growth.
Concurrent is a truly global company. We export some 95% of the computer boards that we make in the UK. The US is our largest single market at around a third of the business, but that will grow significantly in the coming years. Europe is very strong for us at almost a similar level to the US, and the Far East is also experiencing tremendous growth. The market sectors that we address are now dominated by defence. Last year, defence was some 85% of the revenue in Concurrent, and we will see that grow in the coming years.
Over the last couple of years, Concurrent has significantly invested for growth. We've invested in business development talent. We've also brought in some very skilled engineers, both early career and late career, and obviously development's a key part of all those people's journeys.
Our growth strategy is really clear. Be really good at what we said we'd do, which is these single board computers based on Intel chipsets and getting them to market as quick, if not quicker, than anybody else on the planet. That's step one. Step two then is to become a provider of systems. We've acquired a systems integrator business, Philips in Los Angeles. Great. There is now much more content of a system that we don't yet own, and that is the basis of our acquisition strategy. As we grow and develop the business, both organically and inorganically, it is really important to us to develop more really differentiating intellectual property. That might be around thermal management or security, for example, but over time we will develop that IP portfolio to be truly outstanding.
Order book and revenue visibility in this business is very good. In terms of the pipeline of opportunities, if you'd looked at that before Miles had started, the total sum of the pipeline would have been circa tens of millions. Today, that pipeline is now about £1 billion.
I'm often asked what is my ambition for this business, and to be totally honest, it is limitless. Our customers are large blue chip companies with long-term need for the very latest technology which we provide, and our competitors are often multi-billion-dollar corporations. I see absolutely no reason why this business shouldn't have aspiration to be a multi-billion-pound business.